So once again, here I come up with one more video with respect to the NIMSET, and it is with respect to the MNIIT. Guys, the Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, which is in Prayagraj. So guys, काफ़ी डिसेंट सा कॉलेज है, बहुत अच्छा रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस है इनका, एंड प्लेसमेंट पैकेज ओ ग्रेट गाइज, इतना अच्छा पैकेज आपको कोई नहीं देगा, एंड दैट्स वाई इट कम्स अंडर थर्ड रैंक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑल NITs. गाइज, जितनी भी NITs है उनमें सबसे बेस्ट पैकेज अगर कोई प्रोवाइड करता है देन फर्स्ट NIT त्रिची, दे आफ्टर वारंगल एंड दे आफ्टर Allahabad. If you want overall stats with respect to the placement packages, then guys watch this particular video till the end. So let's talk about the fee structure versus placement stats here. And there is big announcement, guys. We have launched MCA specific YouTube channel named as Manua MC Entrance. So link I provided in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe this particular channel क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत सारे updates मिलने वाले हैं guys. And let's prepare for the Maharashtra MCA CG to enter into the top institutes within Maharashtra state, and the NIMSET to enter into the NITs. And guys, as in my each video I say, you have to target only the top institute because top institute will provide you the best ROI. So wanna preparation, get live interaction with us. You will get all these stuffs, books, shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests, WhatsApp group, 10,000 plus questions in the practice, lot of data guys, and the mentorship where you will get complete guidance about the cap round, about the counseling process, and overall data about the NITs and the top MCA colleges in Maharashtra. So call on respective number or the visit our website manuaredu.com/MC entrance. So let's start discuss with the fee structure first. From first to sixth semester effective from session 2019-20, ओके 15 and 16 एक अलग फिगर था गाइज फी स्ट्रक्चर का, दे आफ्टर 16 to 18, आफ्टर 17 to 18 एंड दे आफ्टर 2019 and 20 एक अलग फिगर है आपके सामने. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द हॉस्टल फीस 12,000 per sem. Okay guys, now institute charges, look at the fee structure here, 10,000, 9,000, 5,000, tuition fee is 35,000 per year. Overall fees for first sem it is around 71,000, thereafter 66,000 for each year. Okay guys, so fees काफ़ी nominate है यहाँ. Overall जो fees होने वाली है for complete 3 years it is around 4,01,000. ओके गाइस, तो काफ़ी नॉमिनेट फी स्ट्रक्चर है. अब आप बोलोगे कि यहाँ तो फी स्ट्रक्चर NIT त्रिची से भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, यहाँ फी स्ट्रक्चर वारंगल से भी ज़्यादा है. यस गाइस, फी स्ट्रक्चर भले यहाँ ज़्यादा है लेकिन फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ आपको यहाँ मिलने वाली है. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द NIT Allahabad, देन गाइस दिस इंस्टीट्यूट established in 1961 as a joint enterprise of Government of India and Government of UP and was an associated college of University of Allahabad, जो कि सबसे पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है of India, the third oldest university in India. It is ranked among the 10th under the category of Institute of National Importance and the Central Universities CFTs अगर technical related courses की मैं बात करूँ, in the utter ranking of the institutions on innovation and achievements, ये सबसे बड़ा in 2021. Okay guys, and NIF ranking, then अगर आप NITs ट्राई कर रहे हो then guys थर्ड चॉइस आपकी अगर होनी चाहिए कोई तो वो होनी चाहिए NIT Allahabad, क्योंकि इसके प्लेसमेंट स्टैट्स आपको बताएंगे कि क्यों यहाँ आना ज़रूरी है. सो 4 लाख अगर आपको लग रहा है फी स्ट्रक्चर काफ़ी हाई है, देन गाइज लुक एट द प्लेसमेंट स्टैट्स ओवर हियर. MCA ब्रांच की अगर बात करूँ इंजीनियरिंग को लेकर गाइज या हाईएस्ट जो प्लेसमेंट है इट इज़ अराउंड 51 lakh per annum. Now look at with respect to the MCA, the highest package is nothing but 35 lakh per annum. In 2020 it was 39 lakh per annum. 29, 14, 27, 26 and 14. 2015 में काफ़ी कम था guys, 14. Thereafter in 18, okay, the number of students placed were less there. But look at the stat guys, 39 lakh per annum and 35 lakh per annum. Average CTC 10 lakh and 13,000. Guys, most of the students choose their respective path because MCA it is nothing but the computer related program. So IT industries काफ़ी है. Most of the students choose off campus interview, but on campus eligible candidates guys 86 participated in 2021 and out of that 60 were placed and more than 73 plus offers were made. सो गाइज एक स्टूडेंट के पास अराउंड 1.2 ऑफर्स होते हैं यहाँ. परसेंटेज जो है वो भले कम हो, अराउंड 70%, बट डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द बेस्ट पैकेजेस ओवर ईयर जो रिस्पेक्टिव एनआईटीज आपको नहीं दे पाएगी. इफ यू वांट टू परस्यू एमसीए फ्रॉम द टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट, देन गाइज इलाहाबाद should be in your preference list. So start preparation right now. अगर कुछ भी doubts है, then guys ask me in the below comment section. We'll try to answer all of your queries. So in this particular short video, we discuss about the fee structure versus the placement stats of the NIT Allahabad. Now one more video will come with respect to the complete detail about the NIT Allahabad. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel to get overall updates, information and the strategies to crack the NIMSET. So that's all from the today's video, guys. These all are the top-notch recruiters where you can be part of. Now wanna make your career immense, then start preparation with us for NIMSET 2022 or the 2023. We already started our classroom coaching at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. So call on respective numbers. Pan India students, you can call on 8828581455 or else you can visit our website. For all exam updates and notifications, you can also follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all, guys. One Google form link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and fill that particular form and our team will get back to you. So you will get a free counseling session from the experts. So that's all, guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.